Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm doing a Deku makeup tutorial. All the stuff I'll be using will be in the description below, so let's get started. Well, I just had an adventure, so I put on my wig cap, and then I was like, oh, I gotta put in my contacts. So I was putting in my contacts, I put this one in, and literally, it hurt so bad, and I was like, this hurts, I need to get it out. I couldn't get it out because it kept blinking, because my eye was irritated, because it hurt. And then I was like, okay, maybe I need to give it a second. So literally, tears were streaming down my face because it burned so bad. I wasn't crying, but my eyes were watering. So ow. And then I was like, okay, it stopped hurting, but my eye's still irritated, so I can't really pull it out right now. So I called my aunt and I was like, should I pull this out? Will it ruin my eyes if I don't take this out? And she was like, nah, you're fine. And I was like, okay. And then I put the other one in, and then the same thing happened, so I don't know. She said my eyes are probably dry. They probably are. So, but ow. Okay, so, if you have contacts, I would put them in now, and then, I put on my wig cap, but you don't really need to do that right now. Now, I'm going to be using primer. Okay, now I'm going to put on my foundation. So now that that's done, I'm going to be putting on some concealer. Now I'm just going to blend that in. So now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm taking this dry contour one because I'm almost out of my other one and I've been using this for whatever. So I'm going to do my cheekbones deeper. Okay, I don't want to do my whole jawline since he has a rounder face, but I want to do this part of my jawline so that way it sharpens this but not my whole face. Now I'm taking this angled brush and using my contour on that so that way it has a thinner thing so I can get on my nose. So I want to go down my nose just to make my nose thinner. And then I want to go under it to pick it up a little bit. I want to do this because guys have deeper eyes. I already have deep eyes, so I'm only going to go a little bit and not completely over here. Now I'm going to blend all this in. Now I'm going to set my makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to brush out my eyebrows. Now I want to take this green and take it on this brush and pack it on and then fill in my eyebrows. That looks like a huge caterpillar on my eyebrow. I don't know why that was so bad, but... Like, that looks so much better. This is just huge. Like, because it's not on my eyebrow. It's, like, way off. I'm gonna take this concealer and very carefully go around my eyebrow and fix this. Okay, I think that'll be okay. I'm just gonna blend it in with my finger because I don't want to get it all over. I look like a clown right now. Okay, that's not that bad. I literally can't see. Like, I can see, but it's like the ring light in my eyes is not... Hold on, I can't see with the ring light on. Well, okay, it doesn't look bad. I just have a little right there that I need to fix. I think I'm gonna fix it too. Okay, now I'm gonna prime my eyes. So now I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow. So I want to take this color. It's not completely white, it's like a muted, darker white, maybe. But I'm gonna put that on my lid to my brow bone. Now that I have that on, I am going to be taking this brown, and you can't even see it, this brown, and going in my crease and trying to make it more of circular to make my eyes look bigger and rounder because I don't have circle eyes, so. Okay, now I want to take this brown, because it's just a little bit lighter, and go up just a little bit. I want to take this pink just a little bit around it and go on my lower lash line to make my eyes look more cartoony. Okay, so now I'm going to be lining my eyes with this liquid liner, and I'm scared because I can line my eyes, but first off, I can't see in my phone right now. So I'm going to be trying my best. And I want to make it as thin as possible, just going around my eye just to make it look rounder. No, I need to go to a mirror. Hi, welcome to my basement bathroom. And the sound probably sounds really bad in here, but I need a mirror. So I'm going to be lining my lids. I have shaky hands. That looks just great, doesn't it? I'm going to try to fix this. Okay, this doesn't look that bad, so we're gonna go with that, and hopefully people can't see it. I'm gonna line this eye now, so see you in a minute. This looks really bad, but you can't really see it on camera that it looks really bad. But And I'm not leaving my house because, you know, quarantine, and I didn't leave my house before. So now I'm going to be lining my waterline with this white eyeliner to make my eyes look even bigger than they are. Now I want to be taking this eyeliner and putting it right like here just to make my eyes look even rounder. Also, I love this eyeliner so much because I can put on eyeliner and it never ever sticks on my waterline, like black eyeliner, but this actually sticks on my waterline because usually when I put it on, I wear it for like an hour and it's already gone. This one, I literally just put it on and it stays, and it's amazing, and I don't even know where I got it from. I think I might have gotten it from my little sister, but I love it so much. So now I'm just going to be putting on a little bit of mascara to like hide the eyeliner and also just make my eyes look not like this. So I'm just going to be putting on a little bit. And I'm debating doing my bottom lashes. I don't know. I know I said I was going to do a little, but apparently I'm doing a lot, so I'm just going to do a little bit, like the teeniest, tiniest bit on my bottom. Okay, I like that. I'm glad I did it because, okay, so now I'm going to be putting on freckles. So I have this eyeshadow from the dollar store because I don't mind destroying it, and it's bobby pin. And I'm going to bend the bobby pin straight like that, so that way I can like dot my freckles on. So I'm gonna take this one and like, I can't remember which one I use because I hate a lot of these, I think. So I'm just gonna like, oh yeah, I forgot to say, I'm using this brown now. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this eyebrow pencil and making some bigger freckles, just a couple. Okay, so now what I would do, but I'm not going to do, is I usually set my freckles with setting powder. But the problem with that is, it is literally just wipes off. Like, so if you mess up a freckle and you just do this, it literally just wipes off. So I'm not going to set my freckles. So yeah, just remembered I wanted to add the highlight on the tip of my nose, so I'm using my contour stick and putting it right here. And then just blending it in. I like how this one looks compared to a different highlighter, like a powder highlighter, because it looks more cartoony in my opinion. Okay, so now I'm taking a Q-tip and some black eyeshadow for his main 4 freckles. Okay, I'm gonna be really honest, I literally cannot see for some reason. Like, I can't see my phone. Like, I can see my phone, I can barely see it though. It's like so foggy with my ring light on. I don't know what's wrong with these contacts. but I literally cannot see. I have to turn my ring light off to do this because I can't see and I don't want to mess this up. So, sorry for the, oh my gosh, I can see. Sorry for the horrible lighting. But I'm taking this black eyeshadow and just putting it on the tip with a Q-tip. It's kind of like rolling it around. No. There. Okay, so they aren't perfect, but it's as best as I can get them. Before I did the eyeshadow thing, I tried doing it with eyeliner and it didn't really work because I couldn't get the circles to be circles. So this was the best way I found to be able to put them on, but the problem is you still can't really set them, so they're probably going to fall off. Okay, so I usually put like lines on the ends of my mouth like that to like make my lips look more animated, but I don't know, I'm just not really feeling it anymore. Like, if you want to do that, that's cool, but like I just don't really want to do it anymore. My mouth already kind of has those lines naturally, so it kind of doesn't look that great when I do it. Maybe it's just me when I see myself with the lines on my face, but I don't know. And now I'm going to put my wig on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Bye!